Alright, so that's the front piece all put together there, guys. So I come in and figure out where I'm gonna put this back one. Then I'm gonna have to buy some more to run across the bottom. I'll probably go get some more wood. Yeah, probably sometime tomorrow. Alright guys. Alright guys, so I'm pulling this a mercy brake cable off here. So I got all the mercy brakes unhooked up under the bottom, and there was a little clip on there that I had to take off. Then after you get that clip off, pull this out, but it's hanging up right in here. So let's see if I can get this to come down enough. To get this to pull out. It's tight, guys, but there it goes. Alright, so this is the last thing that's holding me up to be able to get that frame off of here. So I'm gonna just stick that in there, get that out the way, and now this frame is ready, guys. I'm gonna take one last look, make sure everything is unhooked, up out the way. Just want to make sure everything is out the way on here, guys. Alright guys, so I spent about $200 in wood and screws and everything. So guys, with this 70 Wildcat, I normally pull my bodies out from the side, guys, but I want to assemble this frame. For one, I'm getting older and trying to crawl around and put all this stuff back together up under the bottom. I'm just not willing to do. So I want to get this car out up under the frame. I mean, I can get up under there and do it if I have to, but you know, you get older, you try to make things easier on yourself. Young people, while you're young, make things easier on yourself, and when you get older, it probably still be easier on yourself, if you know what I'm saying. But anyway, so I got all these blocks, you know, I got all of this stuff built here, and I'm gonna build a frame because I'm gonna be painting up under this car, guys. But I built all of these blocks, and it might seem like overkill, but I had to get I had to get this thing up pretty high, and I'm hoping I'm high enough. I did some measuring. I think I should have a few inches to spare. But see, even there, I built a block just to sit my jack on, just so I can get this thing up high enough, guys. So, I mean, it's on here. So, I gotta build a block back here. Well, when I go to jack this body down, the body stay, you know, where it is. And then up in front, I got this mounted right there, so that should be good. Got all these blocks built, guys, but just coming in, and I'm not gonna start tonight because it's like maybe 7. Look at the phone, maybe 7 or 8 o'clock. I'm not sure. Just got off the phone with 70 LeSabre Bob. You know, I've seen his 75 convertible before. He called me and I talked to him a little bit. But I want to be fresh when I start jacking this car down, guys, jacking this frame. Everything is unhooked though. So I just want to make sure that I'm in the mood, and because it's a lot of moving around and getting up under this thing. So moving jack stands around, blocks around, and just jacking this body down a little bit at a time, guys. But you know me, I'll be showing the whole process. So, man, but is that up high enough, guys? Man, whew, I tell you. So, all right, guys, I decided to pull these doors off. And it's always good if you got help. But I don't know. I really have to be stuck where I say, okay, I gotta call somebody to help me out here. But I don't think I'm stuck, guys. But it would be easier with help, because this car is jacked up really high. And I'm gonna pull these doors off, get rid of some of the weight. Because I'm gonna be bracing this in the back for now till I can get my 4x4s in the center here. So I don't want too much weight on the body, on that trunk area. It should hold. This is a nice solid car, but I don't want to tweak nothing, guys. So I'm gonna pull these doors and whatever little, I think it's like bucket seat bottom in there. I don't know if it's stuff in the trunk. I might look and see what's in the trunk and get everything out the trunk. But it's good if you got help, guys. All right. All right, so I took most of the bolts out here. Like I always do, guys, a 1/8 drill bit. I drilled holes so this will make this easier to mount back in place. So, now here's the fun part. I say it's always good if you got help. And all right. Door's trying to fall off of there already. So I'm going to take this front and just drop it. Nope, I shouldn't have done that. Oh, damn. All right. See what happens here. Doing. There we go. All right. There we go. Like I say, it's always easier with two people. But all right, so now I got stuff in here that I'm gonna bring out of here. Just lighten this up some. We'll move this around. Get this door out the way. Alright. Alright guys, it's off of there. Alright, so I got the doors off of there. This thing is gonna buckle, it's gonna buckle. So now I wanna just I wanna start jacking this up and letting this frame down.